Hi, this is Sarah, and this is your restorative meditation designed to bring you back into your body and back towards self. Please make sure that you're sitting and you are relaxed and you are free from interruption during this session. Please ensure you're not using any machinery and you are free to close your eyes if you choose. Allow yourself to begin by just taking in a deep breath. Good. And just in a relaxed manner, direct your focus to your chest area, to your heart energy center or your heart chakra. And whether or not you're choosing to look at the mandala in this video, if you are, allow your focus to center upon the circle in the middle of the mandala. Relax your eyes and just allow the focus to be drawn there. And as your body continues to breathe in and out all by itself, your unconscious mind knows what to do, always. And as you draw your focus to the mandala, and perhaps if your eyes are closed or even if they aren't, draw your focus to your chest area. Imagine your heart to be the nucleus of an atom, the central point in a sphere. And as you focus your attention there, you can notice the pace of your heart beating. And the more you focus, you can probably even slow down the pace of your heart, just by directing your focus towards it. And as you do this, you may notice how much space there is in between the nucleus, your heart energy center, and the rest of your body. The outside of the atom may feel like your body. It may even feel beyond your body. And all is well as you continue to breathe easily and effortlessly. Just allow yourself to relax. And even though your focus is fully directed towards your heart energy center, you can begin to notice the areas around it, in your lungs, in your collarbones, in your back, perhaps even as low as your stomach, creating space, expanding. Imagine yourself enjoying a delightful stretch, as if you're being pulled from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. Feel the expansion. Feel the space. And as you continue to feel this expansion, you may now draw your attention to all the tiny muscles holding your collarbones in place. And just visualize them relaxing as you breathe in, as you breathe out, and as you pause before your next breath. Visualize those muscles creating more space around your collarbones Visualize the relaxation of those teeny tiny muscles holding those bones in place. And as you continue to focus on all this space you have in your body, perhaps now you can draw your attention slightly further up to your throat area. See those muscles relax. You may even hear them breathe out as you direct that relaxation towards your vocal cords, towards all the muscles in your neck, feeling that relaxation travel down over your shoulder blades. And if you choose, you can push that relaxation down your arms, through your elbows, through your forearms, into your hands, and feel the stretch in your fingers as you create more space between muscle and bone, muscle and muscle. Feel the lightness as the tension releases. Feel how easy this is. You may even notice a change in temperature, perhaps in your thumbs, perhaps in one hand or the other hand, as you take your energy into complete relaxation mode, enjoying the freedom, enjoying the space, so much space. And as you bring that relaxation all the way up from your fingertips, all the way up through your forearms, your elbows, your upper arms, all the way back through your shoulder. Just allow yourself to focus your attention on what we call the mouth of God, that joint or that connection between your neck and your head. Imagine how it feels if your head is being lifted upwards towards the sky. Imagine how much space that creates. And as you feel that space, you'll notice all the muscles in your spine area, starting with the base of your neck, all the way up to where your neck joins your head. Just top down, focus on relaxing every muscle, creating space between each vertebra. Moving on to the next, once you created space in the last. And moving down through your back, all the way down your spine. Slowly, slowly. In fact, noticing now just how slow and easily your heart is beating, all by itself. Just like your breath, easing its way into your body, easing its way out of your body, gently pausing before you begin again. Noticing all this space you're creating all the way down your spine as you stretch out your vertebra, as you release any tension in all the muscles traveling down your spinal column. You may even notice that you can feel the electrical currents running up and down your spine. You may feel this as a tingling sensation. It may even be more intense, allowing you to feel the freedom of your energy moving all the way up and down, all the way from your neck, all the way down to the base of your spine. And as you reach your hip area, allow yourself to notice how much space you can create in your pelvis. Allow your hips to breathe. Feeling totally relaxed now. Feeling expansive. You may even have an awareness of just how far your outer atom expands to now. Perhaps it's 3 feet beyond your body. Perhaps it's 6 feet beyond your body. Perhaps it's 9 feet beyond your body. This beautiful, spherical, energetic matrix, allowing you to relax so easily, centered in your heart energy center. Noticing how easy it is to be calm. Noticing how easy it is to be relaxed now. Allowing that relaxation to penetrate every cell in your body. And noticing how this relaxation impacts your mind. Notice how when your focus is directed towards your body, your mind relaxes so easily. And just for a moment, notice how this relaxation feels. Notice how it sounds in your body. Listen to the energetic vibration. As you visualize your body now, what can you see? enjoying this state of total freedom. And in just a moment, having experienced freedom from tension in this way, you can begin to journey your back and all the other areas of your body all the way back into the present moment. And you can do this so easily as you begin to come to your senses in the now. Perhaps you'll notice how your feet feel resting on whatever you're resting your feet on. Perhaps you'll allow that sensation to feel more real every second. Perhaps you'll notice the feeling of your hands and arms resting on the surface they're resting on. Perhaps you can allow the sounds outside you, outside of the room, into your awareness now, as you remember this feeling, knowing that if you can have this feeling of total, profound, deep relaxation now, you can have this feeling anytime you choose. You can relax and restore your mind, your spirit, and your body all at the same time. All is well. All is easy. And slowly now, as you come back in, allowing the sounds outside of you to come more into reality, to come more into your awareness, feeling your feet resting on a surface, feeling your hands resting on a surface, feeling your awareness just coming back into the present moment, becoming more and more aware of your breathing, becoming more and more aware of all the sensations in your body, and yet still feeling so relaxed. And now gradually bringing yourself back into the room and opening your eyes.